Sobha's vision has been to transform the way people perceive quality. Quality, apart from the quality of the product, is the quality of life for the customers. And one of the biggest ingredients of the quality of life is sustainable practices. So, as a company, we have been focused on sustainable practices right from the beginning, and that's how we have been able to execute our vision or our own ideas of green future. We have our own an in-house environmental engineering team which gives inputs both in at the time of design, compliance and execution and later maintenance stage. So this has helped us achieve our passionate goal of focusing on not only our quality of product that we deliver, but also in the way the communities live forever in those projects that we built. We have come a long way in terms of compliance, in terms of the other ecosystem that has developed, whether it's regulators who are setting up the norms for the environmentally sensitive or environmentally friendly developments. We are a green Yodha because we care for our community, we care for the product that we develop. We are very conscious of the environment and its impact based on the work that we do.